Oh my goodness. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it is a very exciting day because I just picked up my new computer from Apple and I've been actually debating about this for the longest time. Right now, right behind me, I have the 27-inch 2017 Retina 5K iMac and it's been many years, many usage afterwards. I finally concluded that it's time to upgrade. Just because I've been editing quite more videos and this computer is just not pulling through. There's a lot of lag when it comes to using Final Cut Pro, and I really want to speed up the editing process, obviously. And because it's so slow, it really didn't motivate me to continue editing videos, so I would drag it for longer and longer, and that's why on my YouTube channel, there's always such inconsistency. Do I blame the computer? It's not 100% the computer's fault. Partially it's also because my schedule is just way too packed, but it's one of the reasons, one of the many reasons. I'm hoping that after upgrading my computer, the videos will be posted more frequently and it will motivate me to edit more and faster. So anyways, I just picked up the iMac. Ooh, it's heavy. I can't even carry it. This one is the 24-inch iMac. It's in silver. In terms of the specs, I'm just going to display it on the screen just because I don't exactly remember which selections I picked when I ordered it. Honestly, I really wanted another 27-inch. I love the size of my 27-inch, but the only iMac that they have in store now, they only do 24. Unless you're only buying the monitor, then it'll be 27, but I actually need the computer itself, so 24-inch it is. And it looks really sleek. This one is the M3 core, so it should be a lot quicker. But yeah, I'm just really excited. Got all the new gadgets here. Let me show you. Alright, so here are all the new gadget stuff. I got the mouse, the keypad, the charging systems, and all that kind of stuff. I will set this up soon. Hi, Bobs. Paw, please. Oh! Connected. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go down. Have to get used to this keyboard. It's so much bigger than my other keyboard. Welcome back to another day. I officially set up my new computer, which is the iMac 2023 24-inch computer. My old computer is still right behind the camera right now. I am slowly transferring some stuff just because some of my files on my old iMac is actually way larger than expected, so I had to go through everything, and then majority of the stuff for the applications has already been transferred to my new iMac, which is great. So I'm already using it. I'm testing it out right now with my work system and it works perfectly fine. I am definitely not going to be using the Apple mouse because the clicker is just not easy to click. Like, I feel like it takes a lot of effort for me to click into it versus like my Logitech, which I've been using for many years now. So I'm going to switch back to this one once I get my dongle. So here's the other thing that I want to talk to you guys about, because obviously I thought I did enough research, but every single time when I purchase anything new from Apple, I feel like there's always an obstacle. So yeah, for my 2017 iMac, I was actually just going to plug in a Mac Mini. So I purchased a Mac Mini thinking that it was going to work, but it actually is not compatible. Specifically 2017, the year I bought it, they just happened to decide to not make anything compatible with the year 2017. So that doesn't work. I can't even use it as a second screen because it doesn't have like the viewer feature. For the year 2017, there was just a lot of stuff that I couldn't do with it. A lot of the new stuff was just not compatible. So I decided to trade in my old computer for a new one. Trade-in is... So for the trade-in cost, I'm actually going to get back $250 for my 2017 iMac. I actually wanted to sell it myself, but honestly, I don't think anybody would pay more than $250 for a 2017 iMac. So I just decided to do the trade-in just because I feel like that might be like the easiest route for me. Now, talking about my new 2023 iMac, I was really excited to set it up and use it. Despite the screen being smaller than my 27-inch, this is a 24-inch, and you can really tell a difference between the two when you put it side by side. But in terms of usage, I haven't edited a video on Final Cut Pro on the new computer just yet, just because I can't even edit stuff, because they only have 4 Thunderbolt plugins at the back of the computer. So if you guys are ever thinking about purchasing a new iMac, they don't have a memory card insert or micro SD insert or USB inserts and stuff. You will have to buy a separate dongle which has all these components where you can plug it in through the Thunderbolt plug. So I didn't know about this until I set it up and I was about to plug in my external hard drive into the computer. I'm like, where is the USB plug? Nowhere to be found. And then I found a YouTube video online. This guy was saying that you have to buy a dongle. I ended up buying one through Amazon, which is like $100. It was probably one of the better ones. You can purchase ones where it's like $30 to $40, but this one specifically sits at the base of your iMac, so it's very seamless and it seems like it's part of the whole entire computer, which I really like that look. Versus the other ones where you just plug it in and you leave it on the side is just not as aesthetic. So I spent $100 through Amazon to purchase this dongle. It's arriving tomorrow, so I'm waiting for it to arrive right now. But just the idea of having all these things, like, why does it not come with these? Like, do people nowadays don't use memory cards or USBs? Like, yeah, people do. So why isn't it part of the computer? I just don't understand. If you guys have this issue with Apple computers as well, let me know. But I do really like Apple computers, and that's why I'm repurchased another one, and it's just like aesthetically it just like works better with my space, but it's just so inconvenient. Like, they have to make it so difficult. So anyways, that's my rant of the day. I am just going to continue to do some work and get on with my day. Today it is a very special day because it is our 4th year anniversary. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
We're just getting ready for dinner right now. We are going to this restaurant called Oishi, which is, I think, is in Yaletown. It's a new hand roll place in Vancouver, so we're gonna go check it out. And then after, we are going to go to this new rooftop bar that he made reservations for. So we're gonna go check that out. But yeah, I thought that I'll pick up the camera and start recording because it is a very special day. I can't believe I've been stuck with this guy for 4 years. He can't hear me, but exciting stuff. Thanks for the flowers, babe. Alright guys, so we just finished with dinner at Oishi Nori, which is located in Yaletown, and they specialize in hand rolls. But the hand rolls that we ordered are like their specialty hand rolls. It's pretty much a nigiri, and they just put a seaweed around it, and they call it a hand roll, which I find very interesting. Not going to lie, sorry for the shakiness by the way, because we're in a car that has a lot of shakiness because we're in a Subi. Not going to lie, it was not our favorite meal. We didn't really enjoy it that much. There was only like 1 or 2 items that we tried that were really like good, and then the rest were just like very average or even below average. Like when I tried their king salmon sashimi, it was a very thick cut, and it kind of reminded me of samurai sushi. And if you guys have samurai before, you guys would know exactly what I'm talking about. It's like a very cheap salmon. But I mean, yeah, at least we tried it, right? Our total was not cheap too. Our total was $200, around $200, including tips. Probably will not go back. That's just my thoughts. But we are going to a happier place now. We are gonna go to a rooftop bar. What is it called again, babe? Or do you not remember? Laventine? Yeah, okay. It's like a new rooftop bar. Apparently it's really beautiful, so we're gonna go and check it out.
Nice. It was inside the cake.
So yours is really good?
Yeah, that's really good.
Alright.
Can you bring it over?
Where is yours?
Over here.
Let's try it. Ooh! Cheers. Let's try this.
It's good, right? Really good.
You didn't even try mine yet.
I like mine.
No, do you want to try mine? Mine has mango. Oh, that's delicious.
Mine has mango too.
Wait, what? What's yours? Oh, mango coconut milk. Yo, yours is so good. Mine is yogurt, that's why. But yours is like coconut, you know? Like it's coconut.
Like you can taste the coconut water.
Oh, that's so good. That's delicious. I would get that again.
It's refreshing. Yours is very thick.
Mine's like a smoothie. No, it's not as thick as I thought it would be though. It's not that bad. I actually quite enjoy it. Very good. And I thought mine was yummy, but his is even more yummy.
I prefer yours. This is like a pudding. It's like a party in your mouth.
Mm?
Yeah.
Want to trade?
This is
Want to trade? Actually, you actually prefer this.
I want something thick today.
Because I prefer this. Yay! Winner, winner!
Yay!
Winner, winner!
Yay! Boba! Boba, yay!
So good. This place is called Coco Bay, and this is delicious. This is already less sugar and less ice, but love you.
Oh.
Love you, boss. Sweetie. I am going to put the roses in a vase. If I didn't show you guys yet, boba. No, I'm kidding. My boyfriend got me flowers. So pretty. So I'm gonna set this up and put it in a vase so I can look at this for the next week. Hi, Bobes. What is this? Why are you licking your mouth? Oh my god, you can't eat this, buddy.
Silly boy.
Boba, will you be my Valentine's? Will you? Oh, ah! Yo, he kicked it. He kicked it.